Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to export your CV from LinkedIn into PDF format. So what you need to do is, as you can see, my feed is open in front of me. You just need to go on this picture of yours at the top right where it says me, and just click on this and then click on view profile. So there it opens my entire profile in front of me. So the first thing you need to do is you need to check if your CV is updated. I've got an about section here. This is my featured, but this won't be featured in my CV. What is featured in my CV are things like these, my experiences, and then all the different jobs or volunteerships or internships that I've done, my educations, my license and certifications, my skills. All of these are very important. If you need to add anything additional to any of them, you just need to click on these plus signs which accompany these headings. For example, for skills and endorsements, you could either just click on add a new skill, or for licenses and certifications, you could just click on this plus sign. Similarly, you could do the same for education, and in this way you would be able to update your CV. You could also edit any details by just clicking on this pencil sign here. As you could see, this appears when you just hover over any of your certifications or your education or experiences. And then once you're exporting your profile, what you just need to do is, it's very simple. Here, as you can see at the top right now, well, not exactly the top right, under this post a job icon, there is this more button. Just click on this more button, and here you could see save to PDF. This is the option you need to select, and now just click on this. Here the PDF is being prepared. A download will begin shortly. It has begun. The file is downloaded. I would just open it here so that I could show it to you. Okay, so here you go. Here's my email, here's my LinkedIn ID, my skills, my certifications are all added in here. And this is my basic introduction. This is my location. Here, the LinkedIn summary has been copied as well. The experiences would be listed, and I could just scroll down and see that all of them have been listed properly. My education that section is also added to my whole CV or resume. And this is how you just export your CV from LinkedIn to PDF. And I'm sure that this is very helpful, especially when you're applying for any sort of jobs or internships and you need to attach your CVs there. You cannot always provide the LinkedIn link, right? So this is one way that you could easily export your whole CV and just upload it there.